Hello, my name is Gayan Nongnogo, and today I'm going to be presenting the following SQL keywords: insert, select, update, and delete. So what are these keywords? These are SQL keywords used to write SQL statements to manipulate data inside a database. And they are part of the data manipulation language type, which are what is used to manage the data that reside in our tables and columns, so basically rows. And then you have the other type, which is known as the data definition language, which is used to manage database objects like tables and columns. So why do we need these keywords? Why do we need these for? So with these keywords, we can perform what we call CRUD operations. And these are operations that allow you to create for the C, read for R, update U, and delete for D. So this is basically what every application, allow you to do pretty much. Like Facebook, you think about Facebook, you can create like a post. You can, read the post from your friends, the comments, and you can update, like edit one of the posts, one of the things you posted, or you can delete anything you posted. And then on the back end side of things, like, we're using PHP here. PHP is gonna make a connection with the database where, we use SQL to do these different operations. So you post your data on the back end, and then the connection, thanks to PHP, will use one of these keywords depending on the operation you're trying to perform, and do this operation on the database using these SQL keywords. So insert to create any new rows where maybe you post something, and then you want to read something, like the post, your friend's post, or maybe you're trying to update something you just posted. So edit or delete. Okay, we don't have a lot of time, so let's jump right into how to use these to see what the syntax look like. So I created like a database, UI, and a table called students. And inside that table, I have 4 columns. The first one is the student ID. That's going to be an integer. And then the first name, last name, and school are going to be strings. So how do you write? So thanks to phpMyAdmin, we already have like some boilerplate here. So to insert, I can click insert, and it's going to give me basically the syntax, the statement, what it looks like. So you start with insert into, followed by the table name, and then in the parentheses you have basically all the columns you're trying to update. And then right after that, you have values. That's a keyword. SQL keywords, and then inside those parentheses you have the different values that you're actually trying to post. So here, let's say, and you want to make sure they match. So the ordering is important. So the first one is student ID. So let's say the student ID is 1. Then the name is John. Then Doe. And let's say BYUI. And then let's go and add it. 1 row inserted. When we go and look at it, it's not empty anymore. We have 1 John Doe. Let's add 1 more. So insert, and then format. So let's say we add 2 here. NG Louise, and then ACC University, and then go. Let's check it out again. And then now we have NG with ACC. It's cool. So now let's look at, we just inserted, so we just created something. Now let's see how to read, which is select. Let's say we want to read every single thing. So we select the star. Let's format it so it looks better. So you select, that's how you start. Select keyword, and then you can choose. Let's say we want to select different things instead of everything. So we want to just select the student ID. Let's say all the columns. So first name, last name, and school. from the student table. And this is what the syntax look like. Unless you're trying to be more specific, where, using where, like you're looking for a specific one. But let's say we're trying to get all the rows in the column, so we can just do this and go ahead, and then we're going to see every single thing, which is how you basically read from the database. Now let's go to update format. So you start with the update keyword, followed by the table name, and then set keyword. And right after set, you want to make sure you use the column of the column where you're trying to set the new data up, and then the values right after the equal sign. So here you're gonna, maybe we don't want to change the student ID, we don't want to change the name, we just want to change the school. So where allow you to be specific. Maybe you just want to the one where it's ng, but just to look at it, when we're not using where, let's say we just want to make sure they're all from the same university. So let's say Virginia University, and then go. 2 rows affected because we didn't specify with where, so we did update every single row. And then now you can see Virginia University for both. Now let's go back to use the delete now. So this is what the delete looks like. So delete from students, where if we don't specify the where again, it's going to delete every single thing. So delete from student, and then go. So you want to be using the where. I don't want to use the where because someone is going to cover that next. Do you really want to execute delete? Okay. And then 2 rows affected. You deleted every single row. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching.